In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily find your saved videos on Facebook. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So first up, let me find a video to save. So for example, let's say I want to save this video right over here. I'm going to click on these three dots and then click on the save video option. So then I'm going to easily select the collection I want to save my video to. But if you don't have a collection, you can easily create a collection. If you already have a collection, select your collection. And as you can see, this video has been successfully added to a collection. So the real question is, how can you find that saved video that you have saved? So you can easily find that saved video by clicking on these three lines right over here, and then selecting or clicking the saved option right over here. And as you can see, there's the video we saved. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.